Previously I made a video about opening my box from Inline Tube for the disc brake kit that I received for my small bearing 9-inch Ford for the 71 Torino GT. And in this video I'm going to actually open the box up and take the contents out and take a look at them. And it's just a video to show you what I received from Inline Tube and the quality. This is supposed to be a complete kit for everything to convert to a disc brake setup. Looks like I got the emergency brake cables. This should be drilled and slotted rotors. Let's take a look at one of these. Yeah, it's a very nice looking sealed up package, drilled and slotted rotor. I'm not going to take those out of there. Appears to be no damage on there. Very nice looking piece there. I think I'll take a look at the other one too, just to determine that there was no damage. Set this off to the side. Here's the other one. It's the same thing. Kind of sliding out the end of the box. And this one appears to be the same. No damage to the rotor. Very nice. Let's see what else we have in here. Hardware kit, along with brake lines, stainless steel braided brake lines. Instruction book. This box appears to be broken. This box was broken open. Mounting brackets all over the place in the box. That box was torn open. But there appears to be no damage to the brackets or to the hardware. So those look good. Other half of the box. This box should be calipers. Nicely sealed. Box has an extra level of protection in it. Let's take a look at the caliper. Very nice looking part. Protective layer of coating on it, or paint. Hopefully it's high temp paint. This single piston caliper is hydraulically actuated or mechanically actuated for the emergency brake. So, very nice, looks good. Same with this one. Very nice looking part. Very nice. So it appears that all the parts made it through okay. The packaging could have been a little bit more stout, but it did work okay. Made it here fine. Save for the only box that was tore open was for the mounting brackets, but everything appears to be there, 2 of each, so we're good to go, looks like. So now my next step is to take the rear end, power wash it. Since I already have it out of the car, I'm going to power wash it, sandblast it, clean it up, paint it, and I will also order a limited slip differential for it to complete the assembly with the disc brakes, and everything will be painted when it goes back in the car. The brakes on the Torino were seized up, the wheels wouldn't even turn, and so hence the reason I decided to go ahead and order the disc brake kit. Of course, this will be just the rear end to start with, and I'll move forward drive shaft, transmission, engine, and front steering and brakes on that as well. The goal is to just make this Torino a driver to start with. I do not want it to be a garage queen, so this is where I'm starting.